Hi guys. So sorry I'm not all dolled up for today's video. It is kind of late at night. I am doing a video collaboration with Miss Vanessa, and I will leave her channel down below and a link to her video. We swapped treat boxes from where we live. I am from Indiana in the United States, and she is from Scotland, I do believe. Scotland in the UK. And she sent me some British and Scottish treats, and I sent her some American treats, and so I'm kind of excited to try these. So we just got back from the fair and got all ready for bed. I think I'm gonna go ahead and shoot this video and just get it up because I'm so excited to try the things that she's sent us. She sent us quite a nice box here. So let's get started. She sent us a little card telling us which ones are her favorites and what is the Scottish treats, and the rest are British treats. So let's get started. I think I'm gonna let the kids be in this. There are 6 milk chocolate tea cakes, look like this. So we're gonna start with those. It's been kind of hot out, so I'm hoping that the chocolate isn't melted. Remember the treats that we sent to the lady in Scotland? Huh. She sent us some back.
Can I go get Raymond and Maya real quick? Oh, it's our treats.
You want to try?
I want my own.
No, you can have a bite.
Yeah? Okay.
What do you think?
Can I try? Can I try?
What do you think of the tea cake?
Yummy.
What do you think?
It has marshmallows. Good.
What do you think?
Good.
Good?
Very good.
All right. We'll save a bite for Daddy. We are going to try these. Maya cannot try these ones.
What are those?
I think they're gummy.
We're
We're all going to try one, but Maya can't try them because she has spacers in the back of her teeth, and it can pull them out.
Are they dummy?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Maybe if my teeth do that, can I have one? Go.
What do you think?
Good, good, good. Yummy, good. This is a hard kind to go. That's good.
What do you think? You like it? They're called Midget Gym. Try these.
Yeah. For my teeth.
No, they're chips. Monster Munch.
Monster Munch? Yeah, Monster Munch.
Now I've heard that it could be a monster fist this way or a monster this way.
I think I like it.
What do you think? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Trash. I did not trash.
Well, apparently Raymond doesn't like it.
No, I don't like it. Yuck. Yuck. Good trash. Trash. Yeah.
You don't like it?
Yeah.
Well, I like it. Do you like it, Libby?
Cafe. Trash. Gross. Gross.
Well, the kids don't like it, but I do, so more for me.
Well, yeah, she gets to eat all those chips. We hate them.
We're gonna try these, Mr. Kipling.
Are they gummy?
Daddy's missing out.
Yeah, because he's fine fish.
These are 6 Victoria slices, Mr. Kipling.
Mr. Kipling. They'll taste good, right?
I don't know.
I like sweet, but you say the monsters are trash because they taste gross. It's good. Yummy. Yummy. How can you eat? I bet I'll like
it?
them. Yummy. What do you say? Yummy. I sold on it.
It does not, that's sugar.
Sugar.
What do you think? Good?
Yeah. This has the more.
Oat cakes.
It's good. I like that. Thumbs down. Thumbs up.
I like it.
Me too. I don't.
You're supposed to eat something on this, like a dip.
Yeah. I'm gonna eat something on this like a
salmon, smoked salmon.
Yuck.
Or cream cheese.
Ooh, cream cheese.
We don't have any cream cheese, so we're just gonna try it like this.
Or whipped cream.
Not whipped cream.
Heck, kidding. Sour cream.
Try these.
I just want one of them.
Look like little fishies.
Yeah. My lost this tail.
Mmm. Those are good. Thumbs up, thumbs down. You don't like them?
No.
He doesn't like vinegary type things. Okay, these.
I'm
Going to try these.
Your turn.
We're going to try these.
Little, like, that's enough. That's enough. Little bitty.
I will give you guys a little piece. I'm not sure you're gonna like these.
Cheers. Good.
Maya doesn't like it. Raymond likes it.
Yeah, pretty good.
Livia likes it.
I think
it's good.
something dipped in it. It's good, but not
Those are pretty good. Okay, let's see.
How not?
It's a biscuit, which is what they call cookies.
I like cookies. Whoa.
They call cookies biscuits.
Can you open
And
this?
chips they call crisps.
And where did that be?
In the UK.
Oh.
British.
We have
England.
all of those and
Scotland. You like it?
Maybe can we have a dip in it?
It's a cookie.
It's a cookie. How about sour cream? I like dips. Oh, you put butter on his pancakes this morning. If that's funny, down below.
I liked it, but I like oatmeal cookies, so.
Are those Tootsie?
These are cheese sandwiches.
I won't buy Tootsies. Yeah, favorite for Dad? Well, because it's big. I like it. I don't think Maya likes it. Thumbs up. Thumbs up.
They kind of remind me of the
Thumbs down.
Ritz cheese crackers that we have here. They're really good.
Good.
Mini cheddars. This is what they look
I
like.
want it.
All right, guys, take a bite.
What? Thumbs down.
You like it, Olivia?
I do. Take off.
Thumbs up or thumbs down, Olivia?
Okay. Thumbs up. Thumbs down. Up. Up. Thumbs up. Up. Wonderful.
Up from me too. Okay, and this is one of the things that she said was actually from, oh, man. It's actually from Scotland. And it's got a little problem going on here. So I'm going to carefully open this.
That sounds silly. Now you just need to take a little sippy.
Hang on, I'm going to get a cup.
Let's take a sip.
This is what it looks like.
Orange. I don't think it'll take. Oh.
It's pretty good.
My turn.
Like it? Your turn.
I have another one. It tastes so good.
You like it?
Thumbs up. I love it.
What do you think?
Good.
Good?
Love it. Jelly beans black.
Alright, we
Love
gotta save
it.
Daddy some.
Love it.
These?
Jelly beans.
No, they're not jelly beans.
It's a drink.
Tropical juice drink.
for tropical drink. Ah!
Good? Yeah. You don't like it?
I love tropical smoothie. It's actually
Good?
something else.
We're gonna try these. Jammy Dodgers.
Jammy job.
Jammy Dodgers. Raspberry.
Raspberry. I want you to go
8 biscuits.
8.
Do you remember what a biscuit is there?
A cookie. A cookie.
A cookie, that's right. Oh, they're so cute. They look like this.
It has sparkle jellies. Yeah, but on the outside is a heart. Aww. Don't eat the heart. Good.
You guys like it?
Yep. Thumbs up. Is this another tail?
I'm gonna try these. They look like this. They kind of remind me of a Nouns bar.
Me too. Me too.
They taste like one too.
Thumbs up. Another meat.
These are also from Scotland, she said. Oh, they come in little cute packages like this.
Good. Sit down.
Mm.
Good. Good. We got a goldfish from the
Those are really good.
We also got a goldfish.
Try these.
Thumbs up.
Now, she told me that we'll either love these or hate them. Everybody ready? They're interesting. I can see why she would say people wouldn't like them.
No, not really. No.
I think they're all right. I like them okay.
I will mine first. We drink it. Yeah. Feel trusty.
Okay, we're gonna try this. And hopefully our camera doesn't die.
They taste like
That's pretty good.
Tastes like trash, like the junkyard. It smells it here.
Here. What do you think, Raymond?
Good.
What do you think, Maya? Alright, they like those.
Yeah.
On to these. Jaffa cakes. Ready, go!
Good.
Those are pretty good.
I got them at 800.
They taste like they have a little bit of orange glaze in them. I think that's what that is.
Thumbs down. I do not like it.
These are mint humbugs.
I'm just gonna smell them. I love these. I love the smell of them.
Alright, let's try them. It tastes like an after dinner mint. Really good.
Don't be mine yet.
Like a peppermint.
Peppermint. Oh, we don't want to try.
What was your favorite thing?
My favorite thing are those.
The mint humbugs? What was your favorite thing?
I like the juices.
You like the juice? What was your favorite thing?
Can I get another drink of that?
Yours was the orange soda. I think my favorite thing was Monster Munch.
Yuck. I hate Monster Munch.
The Monster Munch is pickled onion flavored.
Ugh.
We don't have a lot of pickled onion flavor here. We have sour cream and onion. And we have salt and vinegar. There wasn't anything in that box that I didn't like. What did you not like? The Monster Munch. What was your least favorite thing? The Monster Munch. Which one did you not like, Raymond? The Monster Munch. Their least favorite thing was the Monster Munch. All right, come on, guys. Come say goodnight, everybody.